Stop what you're doing, mamas, and listen to these 3 important things that you need to do during your pregnancy. Okay, seriously, mamas, I know we kind of go about our day because we're so busy, and rather than, working and taking care of ourselves, we take care of our kiddos and we do all the things. Yeah, I see you up at 2 a.m. cleaning that shower, doing all those piles of laundry, and constantly even just thinking about what we need to order from Amazon or what we need to order at the grocery store because we need to have dinner and all the meals prepared for everyone. So it can be a lot. So before you know it, all of a sudden you can be dizzy. You could be short of breath, feeling extremely hot. Maybe you're in your 3rd trimester and that may have happened to you like it happened to me. You could experience all of a sudden shooting back pain. You could have, what, my feet are swollen all of a sudden, what's going on? Okay, maybe you're sick to your stomach. That could also be going on. Look, I know I get carried away sometimes too, and I forget that I am 2 weeks away from being pregnant. I don't know how you forget that. I mean, but we're just busy. We are, and we want to do it all, right? I see you, I understand, trust me. Okay, so I'm gonna go over these 3 things to prevent pain and discomfort during pregnancy. All right, number 1, drink water. As soon as you wake up, drink some water. If you don't like drinking water right early in the morning, drink some electrolytes and get just something in your system, like an egg, like a little piece of something. You need to just get something in, because what can happen is you're like, oh, let me just get my son to school real quick. And then it's like, I'll eat when I get home. And then you're like driving home and you're feeling kind of woozy. So don't end up in that situation. Just as soon as you wake up, drink a little something, eat a little something, and then you can have a bigger breakfast later, however you want to do it. But seriously, mamas, drink that water, drink those electrolytes. Number 2, this you are not expecting. Wear the correct size bra, okay? Because that bra can be really tight on your rib cage and it will restrict your breathing. And I don't know about you, but I really want my oxygen while I'm pregnant. Our body's working overtime, there's extra blood. We have to, work harder to breathe. So you need to be able to expand that 360 degrees, that rib cage, and expand your breathing. So, and I know we got these awesome nursing bras and these awesome sports nursing bras, but sometimes those are too tight. So just make sure that those are not restricting you. Number 3, I'm gonna say it, rest, mamas, rest. Because all of a sudden you've gone through your whole day and you never sat down, or maybe you sat down but your legs are down. You have to rest and put your feet up. And what's really great is if you can rest on your side, put a pillow in between, and that way you are not putting pressure on your pelvis and your sacrum. If you want to prepare for birth, we need that sacrum to move. We need it to open up, we need it to relax. If you're sitting on it all day, or if whenever you rest, you're sitting on it and your feet are down, that's not a good position to be in. Put your feet up. I know it's hard. I know it's hard to stop, but you can do it, especially if you're in that 3rd trimester. You need to do this, mamas. It's going to save you. So go forth, mama, and take care of yourselves, because a healthy you and a healthy baby, that's what we want during pregnancy. So think about this. This is going to help you have a healthy baby. I know it's hard. We always think about our kids before us. So think about that baby. Think about me taking care of myself is taking care of my baby. All right, so go ahead and leave me a comment below. Let me know, do you do any of this? Is this like an aha thing? Like, oh my gosh, my bras are really too tight and that's bothering me. It's giving me back pain maybe. Let me know in the comments. I wanna know if these were helpful. And I wanna know that you're gonna take care of yourself. And also, if you wanna know any more pregnancy tips, just check out this next video right here. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to grab your free guide in the description below.